What happens when you find the sleeves of your blazers a little too big or too long? This may be because you have bought the wrong size, or you may have shrunk in size. Or it may just be the cutting of the blazer that is meant for taller people with longer hands. If you have bought from international brands like Zara and Mango, this is a common problem for a lot of us Asians. So, with overlong sleeves, we will always end up pushing our sleeves like so. However, within a few minutes, it will slide down again. And we do not want to fold our sleeves as it might spoil the buttons. What are we to do? Here are 3 quick fixes to style up your overly long sleeves. Number 1, use a rubber band. Use a rubber band to hold your sleeves, like so, and then push up to above your elbows, and then cover up your rubber band. It will stay the whole day. Ta-da! If you're wearing an innerwear, you may fold the sleeves of the innerwear on top of the sleeves of your blazer. And then push it up again, and you have another style. Number 3, my personal favorite, just push your blazer up to expose the innerwear. The friction in between will hold the sleeves of the blazer up. This will give it a layered feeling. Hope this helps. Happy styling!